Hello and welcome to my poster presentation. This presentation is on the health and safety for the torque testing station. This torque testing station was done in conjunction with Onish Alumina. Onish realised last year that they needed a mobile torque testing station to be able to move around their plant so that they could figure out whether issues arising from bolts not being moved from machine was the torque gun or was it a seize bolt. After this design was completed, it was deemed necessary to have a health and safety assessment done of the entire bench. The first one of these assessments to be done was a risk assessment. This risk assessment was a broad and overviewing look at the entire bench and the environment around it, what the operator was going to be interfacing with, what was likely to happen when the bench was being moved around. During this risk assessment, it was found that a guard around the test jig was needed to stop any hands, fingers or digits going into the test jig while in use. This can be seen in figure 1 and is a porous guard so that the operator may still have access visually to the test jig while in use. It is also only held down with 2 brackets, so during maintenance this will not be cumbersome or time consuming to remove. After the risk assessment, an FMEA was done. This dissected the workbench part by part. It took everything, looked at it, analysed it and seen would there be any potential failures that could lead to safety problems for an operator. Lastly then was the ergonomic view. This was done from an average size person that would be likely to be using the bench. After this was done, any recommendations were put down and in place. Finally then, an SOP, Standard Operating Procedure document, was done up for the bench. Lastly, I would like to thank Dr. Emma Kelly from Limerick Institute of Technology and Kevin O'Shaughnessy from Onish Alumina for all their help with this project. Thank you very much.